All right, a lot of excitement around Team USA. Oil and gas executives have warned the White House that gasoline prices could surge in coming months as fuel inventories fall to critical lows. Some inventories could be wiped out within weeks, the executives have warned, and this comes as summer travel plans pick up. Joining us now, Jay Young, founder and CEO of King Operating Corporation, an oil and gas operator and investment firm in Dallas. Thank you for joining us here today.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
I want to start off with just what we can expect as the days go on and the war continues on with Iran when it comes to those prices.
Yeah, it's a good question. And, the price of oil is pretty much determined by the supply and demand. I mean, demand stays strong and demand continues to increase. We don't have peak oil demand anytime soon. And so the peak oil demand continues to go up. 15 barrels of oil a person per year. And as long as we increase our population, we need more oil. And if we don't get it or we can't get it, or if wells are shut in like they're being done in the Persian Gulf right now, then we're going to have a problem with inventories, that supply. And a lot of that supply is being shut down in the Persian Gulf because of the strait, and we can't, get oil through there. So they can't just continue to produce it and put it in tankers because there's not enough tankers. There's not enough storage. We've had storage, for a long time that's been up to the brim, and now we're just continuing to let it go because every country has its own reserves for what it's needed internally. Some countries are fortunate enough to be able to drill and produce enough oil to produce it enough to consume and sell it. We don't. We need 13 million. I'm sorry. We produce 13 million barrels a day, and we consume 20. So we need 7 million barrels from other countries. So we're in a different situation than a lot of countries. So with us, we need it's very tight inventories. And when we have tight inventories and we do not have the supply that's moving around the world needed, we're going to see prices go up, which is what we're going to see now, and we have seen over the last couple of months since the end of February. But I believe we haven't seen what we will see go higher in the next 2 to 3 months.
I was going to say that's the next question. How high could we see these prices go? I know it's volatile, but I think people continue to watch just that number rise when they're at the gas tank.
Yeah, and it's very unfortunate, and I don't see it coming down anytime soon. I know that right now, the last couple of days, and President Trump saying that they did release they did have oil going through the strait, the 70 cargo ships, and he said that he feels like the war is over. That may be true, but when you look at supply and demand, it's based on, that's all emotional and what's happening, and the price is coming down. But when it comes down to it, it's going to be the actual numbers. We could see, I don't know why prices aren't $125 to $150 right now. It was 147 under Obama. What's going on so different now than it was before? And the difference is the United States is producing a lot more oil thanks to horizontal drilling in the Austin Chalk, the Eagle Ford, the Permian Basin, the Bakken. It's producing a lot more oil. That helps supplies around the world, but we're still needing a lot of oil, and we simply don't have it. And we're emptying out all of our strategic reserves, not only the United States, but everybody. And we're going to need more oil around the globe. We're not going to have it. I really do see prices, go up, which is unfortunate for consumers, because you got, summer, and you got, they charge a lot of money at the gasoline for boats, and they're going to charge more money for it. They're going to charge more money at the pumps. It's going to be something, but you need to also think about, find an oil and gas investment. Buy an oil. If you can't do a big, alternative investment like with King Operating, then buy a stock. There's stocks out there for $1, $1.50, $2. Buy a stock. Do something. Offset it, because we're going to see prices higher in the future. And when you see that, the price of these stocks will go up. Or you can call King Operating and talk to us. But most importantly is just, look at alternative investments, because, we can't control it, but I really do, based on what I know and what my history is of 35 years in the upstream business, is it's going to go higher. And when it goes higher, you want to have yourself in a position to take advantage of that, however you can.
I was going to say, a lot of people watching the oil and gas market right now. Jay Young, thanks for joining us.